Hey loves, so I'm inviting you guys into my journal and showing you how I improve my drawing skills. Now, when I do this gives me space to make as many mistakes as I like. There's no judgment, there's nobody following me, there's no likes. This is just me in my journal. So, this is what I do. If you want to join in, grab your pencil, grab your eraser, and just find something that you admire, that you'd like to observe, and just draw. As you can see in this case, I have chosen Nina Simone because she's my absolute favorite artist and she does inspire me. So I look forward to drawing this and let's see how this turns out. Alright, this is the final result of my drawing. I see a lot that I need to work on. I was very scared of shading. The lack of shading doesn't show the true dimensions on her face. And I can tell that I also need to practice drawing eyes, making it look a little bit more two-dimensional, and really learning how eyes should look when they look in different directions. But that's the whole point of this exercise. I always do this to see where I'm at with practicing so that I can get better. So if you'd like to see my next drawing and what I do to improve, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll know when my next upload is, and you guys can see what I've done to get better at drawing. If you're actually interested in this original journal drawing, I do have it available in my online shop. Check it out, and I can't wait to see you guys next time.